Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, well, welcome. So I was minding my business,
Boy, if you don't...
and look what I found, a whole seafood boil in a bag at my local grocery store.
Huh?
So it says it's ready in under 10 minutes, just pour and boil. And it comes with raw shrimp, corn on the cob, mussels, red skin potatoes, sausage, and 1 pack of Cajun style seasoning. Wait, hold up, and no crab legs?
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
For me, I have to have some crab legs in my seafood boil. Let me know in the comments below if you like crab legs in your seafood boil. So first, let me empty the bag into a bowl so that we can see how much we're getting of each ingredient. I'm pre-boiling my water as instructed. Then I'm adding my ingredients. And the last thing that I'm adding is my pack of Cajun seasoning. They said to use half, or you can use the whole pack, and I think I'm going to go for the whole pack, and it doesn't even smell spicy. And I'm going to bring it to a boil for a full 10 minutes. Let's take a peek and see how it's coming along. I'm giving it a quick stir. There it is, y'all. It's just about ready, so I'm going to remove, as instructed, all the ingredients out of the pot. Well, you know, they actually said to drain it. So what y'all think? It's gonna taste good or not? So when it comes to seafood boil, I like my ALDI seasoning. That's my go-to seasoning. So if I were to cook this again, I will put the potatoes in at the last minute so they won't come out so mushy. So as far as taste, it tastes okay. It can use a little bit of ALDI, and maybe it can be a little bit more spicy, and also add some crab legs to it. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this seafood boil review. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see my version of the seafood boil. So chefs, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.